Hi everyone. I know that starting next week we will be teaching about heat in science, and I know I think one of the activities that the students are supposed to complete is to go to the website Ducksters and read this article on the environment, global warming. I can already tell that this will be extremely difficult for our ELLs. There are lots of technical language in here, and it's going to be very difficult for them to complete this assignment. So to make it easier on them, you could always add an extension, a read-aloud extension on your Google Chrome if you don't already have one, right? And so if you do not already have an extension up here, I already do, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can add to it, okay? Add to your Chrome extension. So just Google, or just in your search bar, you can go ahead and maybe type Google Read-aloud. I've already looked for it, so it's right here. Read-aloud extension. And you're going to go ahead and follow this link. And then, well, mine says remove, but you're going to obviously add to it. And then once it is on here, once you have it, it should be either up here. If you don't have enough room for extensions to be pinned up here, you could always click on this. It looks like a piece of puzzle. And look for your read aloud extension, text to speech, and then it will allow you to pin this extension up here. So now I have it. And then go back to the Ducksters article. Then once you click on the extension, a box will appear.
Science greater than
greater than
Earth, science greater than environment.
I hope this helps.